It's good news of the day as we understand that the business activity is now returning to pre-COVID levels. Well, this is as per the Nomura India Business Resumption Index. It's a weekly tracker of the pace of normalization of economic activity, and that has moved to a level or a high of what we've seen post-lockdown of 82.8 for the week ended October 18 versus levels of about 80.8 just the previous week. So it's just short of the pre-lockdown levels of 82.9, which was in March 22nd week. Now, do note that we have seen a lot of indicators like the Purchasing Managers Index, the goods and services, tax collections, the e-way bills, the railway freight loading, the highway toll collections, power demand, as well as exports. That's all pointing to the economy moving on the mend after a contraction that we saw in the June quarter of nearly 24%. Nomura has said that a lot of this can be attributed to the sharp rise in the Google workplace mobility from the previous week, as there has been an improvement in retail as well as recreation mobility. They also have acknowledged though that the business resumption has picked up, but one does need to remain aware of the mobility illusion that a sharp improvement in the workplace mobility has masked the sluggishness in the index other components. They've also gone ahead and said that the financial, that this could just be a recovery or a false recovery, and it is only limited to an increase in consumption during the festive season. But nonetheless, economic activity in India has definitely returned to those pre-COVID levels, as this index actually tracks the economic recovery from the pandemic's impact. As they have gone ahead and seen a sharp rise in the mobility, largely banking on the back of the festive season that has rolled in. There has though been a contraction in the factory production that has been slowing a bit, though the central bank has predicted a 9.5% fall in the GDP in the ongoing fiscal year. The Google report actually shows that the movement of the people has definitely changed throughout the pandemic, using anonymized data from its apps such as Google Maps. The Apple Driving Index, however, has remained largely stable according to Nomura. So just to put it into perspective, they are seeing the business resumption index rising to the post-lockdown high of 82.2 for the week ended October 18. The workplace mobility as well masks the overall sluggishness. The labor participation rate has fallen to 40.3 from 40.6 that we saw last week. The power demand has contracted, but it was better at 0.8% fall versus a drop of about 1.9% last week. There has been continued pressure on household income and consumer demand, but the festive season onset is what they're banking on, though this does come with the risk of the COVID-19 cases picking up.